so wet. Good luck, Rand. So far, so good. Positivity, Todd. See you in the morning. Yep, bright and early, bud. Give me a call then, bud. Come on, lady.
Come on, lady. No, it'll be alright. Right off into...
Woo!
Boom.
And you're not in.
Listen.
He's gonna get that bump at the bottom of the hill.